Welcome to Get Solutions. This is Lokesh. So in this session we are going to calculate the total transportation cost under Vogel's approximation method. So in last class we have discussed first problem under Vogel's approximation method. So this is second problem. Okay. So first you have to write down the given information. If in the problem they have given the information related to the problem in theoretical manner. Okay, so first we have to write down and underline the major concepts which is necessary to calculate the total transportation cost. Write down the problem. A product is manufactured by 4 factories, that is A, B, C and D. So how many factories are there? There are 4 factories are there. So factory A, factory B, factory C and factory D. Okay, and the additional unit of production cost. So this is additional cost incurred for 1 unit in them, that is in 4 factories are 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 1 rupees and 5 rupees respectively. Okay, the additional unit cost incurred for these 4 factories are given in the problem, that is rupees 2 and rupees 3 and rupees 1 and rupees 5. These are the cost incurred for single unit, right? Next, see the information. Next, their production capacities are 50, 70, 30 and 50. Okay, so factories production capacities. What are the production capacities? So this production capacities means so these 4 factories are going to supply this much of production capacities, right? So write down here only A, B, C and D. So what is so production capacity is also we can write as supply. Okay, so 50 and 70 and 30 and D factory 50 has the production capacity. Okay, next these factories supply the product to 4 factories. So these A, B, C factories are going to supply these much of production capacities to 4 stores, that is 4 stores. Okay, next the demand of the so the demand of which are 25, 35, 105 and 20 units. So here this is the supply information and this is the demand information. Okay, so what is the demand? That is 25 units and 35 units and 105 units and 20 units. So there are 4 stores are there. The supply made by these factories, that is from A, B, C, D factories 50, 70, 30, 50 respectively, and demand made by the 4 factories, that is 25, 35, 105 and 20 respectively. Okay, 20 respectively. So you have to underline the important concepts which is necessary to calculate the transportation cost or to frame the transportation problem. Okay, next unit transportation cost in rupees from each factory to each store is given in the table. So unit transportation or individual transportation costs are given in the table. So from this information we are going to determine the extend delivery from the each of the factories to each of the store, so that total production cost and total cost is minimum. Okay, so ultimately we are going to calculate the total transportation cost or total production cost by applying the Vogel's approximation method, and we have to keep it in mind the additional unit cost incurred for single unit for factory A is rupees 2 and factory B rupees 3 and factory C rupees 1 and factory D rupees 5. So these are the unit costs, you have to keep it in mind, and also the supply information is given here, that is A 50, B 70 and C 30 and D 50. So you know where this supply information will be required to calculate the total transportation cost or to supply the demand and supply. Okay, so and also you know where you have to put this demand information. So 25, 35, 105 and 20. Okay, so take down the this information or given information first. If the problem is given in the theoretical manner, first of all you have to write given information. So after writing this given information, your problem is 50% will be going to get solved. Okay, so don't get confusions. Whatever the information will be given in theoretical manner, you have to just write down in numerical way or in a tabular form. Okay, thanks for watching. So in next class I will going to show how to solve the problem. Thank you. Thanks for watching.